Let's look at this method. Welcome to another episode. This method, which is the distance across a flat, is one of the methods used to construct polygon in construction of polygon. Now, they say we should use this method to construct the octagon, which is a polygon of 8-sided. Now, when the measurement is being given to you, which is one side of it. Now, they say the base is 60 millimeters. Now, you are going to use the base to construct a square. And this square, you know that square, its interior angle is 90 degrees and it's equal. All interior angles are equal, all sides are equal. So when this side is given to you, you use it to construct the square. The interior angle will not give it to you, but you should know that a square, its interior angle is 90 degrees, the same as a rectangle. Now you base on that to construct the square. Either you use the compass or use the protractor. Now the first thing, let's draw our base line, which is the 60 millimeters being given. Name it X, Y, 60 millimeters. I can choose to use the protractor to obtain the angles, or I'll use my compass in doing that. If I use the protractor, that means that this is my 90 degrees, this is the point X, this is my 90 degrees. Then I will draw my straight line. Pass through the point X. I can choose to measure the same angle here, or I will say no, I will not use it again. I will just use my compass. By opening the compass, exactly 60 as measured, then I will cut it. Let me clean the question so that it gives me more space for the work. And here I need to, then I will stand the same point of Y, and I'll do the same thing. Then I need to extend the line in which I drew to cut the arc. Where the two intersects, then I can stand on that point. I want to check if the compass have moved, then I'll just use it, stand on that point to get it. Means that I have gotten my points, the 4-sided points bigger. I will now join them. I've gotten my square. From here, what I will do is to bisect them, because each side is 60. Each side is 60. If here is 60, here also is 60 millimeters. Then I can choose to use my rule to measure mine, divide it into 2, which is will give me 30, 30. Do the same thing this side. Then do the same thing to this side. Then I'll do the same thing to the upper side. Then I will join them. Opposite points, join. Opposite points. I have my center O. Now I have my X, Y, Z is here. And my W is here. W, X, Y, Z in the order form. Then mean that because you say that the method was distance across a flat. Then if distance across the flat, I will stand on X. I'll stand on X, then open to the point O. Then I'll construct an arc to pass through. And I'll do the same thing at point Y. Pass through the center. Then I'll go and stand on W. Then all of them need to pass through the center to touch the side of the square. Then I'll stand on Z. Meaning I'm going to stand on all the points. All the points. All the points. Now let's check if you have gotten all outside. You can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's name it. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then meantime we are going to join them. 1 will join to 2. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 to 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. Then the last one, 8 to 10, 8 to 1. Then you have obtained your octagon across a flat. If none of them passes through, it means that all the arcs that should merge at a common point. If you don't merge at a common point, it means that your work is what? Wrong. You will not get the exact size of each of them. And this is how we use the distance across a flat to construct an octagon. It's not all polygon that you can use this method, but you can choose to sit down and analyze and look at the type of method you can use to apply for this method. Thank you very much. That's the end of the construction of polygons. The method we have done method 1, which is the general method. The general method that uses the 45 degrees and 60 degrees. And we looked at the diameter or the circle method, which is normally called also known as the diagonal method. We looked at that, and we also looked at the try and error method. And also look at the general method using the exterior angle. And yesterday too, we looked at the try and error semi-circle method. And now we also looked at the distance across a corner, and the last one is the distance across a flat. You can go to the online, you will get so benefited in constructing of polygons. Keep on practicing it and become perfect in construction under the engineering. I wish you all the best in your learning. Have a wonderful day. Bye.